As the novel coronavirus continues to spread around the globe and the death toll mounts, these scientists in Germany, like countless others around the world, are in a race against time, trying to develop a vaccine as fast as possible for an illness the scientific world has a lot to learn about.
Well, the challenge, first of all, is that the virus is unknown. So you don't know which kind of protection you need in order to stimulate the immune system in order to be protected.
German-American company CureVac, whose CEO has been to the White House to meet President Trump, makes vaccines by essentially embedding the virus's code into human cells to help the body protect itself.
We are making the body to produce your own vaccine or your own drug.
Each of these little tubes contains a different construct of the virus's code. Right now, the scientists at the main lab in Germany are trying to find out which one is the safest and most effective to be turned into a vaccine. While they don't want to put a date on it yet, they believe they're getting closer.
We are in preparation for a clinical trial. Out of the different constructs, we have to get the best ones into the clinics, and we are in constant discussions with the regulatory authorities.
The pressure couldn't be higher, with the number of novel coronavirus cases jumping every day and the global economy taking a beating from the coronavirus's effects. President Trump, at a meeting with drug makers, urged the industry to come up with a vaccine ASAP.
We're moving aggressively to accelerate the process of developing a vaccine. A lot of good things are happening, and they're happening very fast. I said, do me a favor, speed it up, and they will.
We need to be prepared.
While U.S. health officials acknowledge it will be at least a year before one will be certified, the company says it's working overtime to get it done soon.
If you compare, normal vaccine development takes several years. We are fighting an outbreak right now, and therefore regulatory authorities are hands-on and trying to do this within a year's time.
Getting that done within a year is almost unheard of as far as the certification of drugs is concerned. But the folks at the company tell us that they've almost never seen this amount of international urgency on the part of governments, on the part of NGOs, and also, of course, on the part of drug companies and labs to try and get a vaccine on the market as fast as possible and as safe as possible. Fred Pleiken, CNN, Berlin.